Hello, friends from YouTube. Today we are going to speak a little bit about this radio, and also we are going to make a teardown of this radio, of this telephone radio, or something like that. Here we have a Stornophone made by the company Storno. This is the model 6000. More exactly, is Charlie Quebec Mike 6332S. The 6332S comes from 6, which is the 6000 model. The first three represent the 666 to 88 megahertz for transmitting. The second three represent the same 66 to 88 megahertz for receiving, and number 2 represent the spacing, which is 25 kilohertz between channels. And also we have an S from Sierra, which is simplex. So this is a simplex radio. This radio comes with this handle, remote handle. You can see here, it's in a very good shape, looks very good. Here we have a plug to take the handle out. That's it. So this is the radio. Very nice. Let's try to open it. Now, as a connection, we have the antenna connector and a multi-port plug. You can see here. Let's see what we have. Oh, we need something else. I don't have the right tool for this, but sometimes I do some thinking. Hey, today we're going to use this back side. I hope I have the right tool. Yes. Oh, it's very tight. Well, we leave it be, and we go here. To see the electronics, the part that we are interested in. To see what we have here inside. Also, I have a documentation for this radio, so in a link down on the video you will find that link about this radio and more about the type of the radio depending on the model that you can find on the site. So very interesting. We have a battery for the memory. This is sorry, this two are the memories. We have a crystal of 3978, yes, 0.3978. Okay, the fuse, power supply, the connector. Here we have Charlie Delta 4051 Bravo Echo. Here we have made by November Echo Charlie from Japan. We have an 8629 Hotel Papa. Here we have a chip made by Siemens. Sierra Alpha Bravo 8031A Alpha 12 Papa. Another Charlie Delta 74 Hotel Charlie 573 Echo. Here we have a Bravo 8632. Here we have a chip made by Toshiba. It's a Tango Charlie 5564 Papa Lima /15. The first memory chip it's Golf 88 Hotel Alpha, and here we have an Alpha mic 27 Charlie 512 /205 Delta Charlie. So this is on this side. Here we have an audio chip. It's a Tango Delta Alpha 1515 Alpha. Let's see on the other side what we have. And beside door number 2, nice. Oh, we have screws. Let's see if we can open this. Sorry for the noise, for the background noise. Let's see what we have here. So it's a 66 to 88 megahertz telephone radio. Very thick metal plate here. Now we have the bandpass filter. No, it's not a bandpass filter. Here we have the bandpass filter. Interesting. Here we have 1858647. As a power amplifier we have a Tango Papa 2330 Foxtrot, and preamplifier made by Bravo Foxtrot Bravo Foxtrot Kilo 43 as a preamplifier. Very nice, well made. Here we have some writings. It says that if we want to adjust the modulation, we have this trimmer. Interesting. Very well built. And I wonder what this is. What filter this is. Because let's see. Anyway, looks nice. Very heavy, very strong. Well built. That's it. Storno type Charlie Bravo 6101 Delta Lima. And we have the board number mic 9 or Oscar 5892 Golf Romeo. Here we have 5 volts adjust here. Very interesting to write on the board if you want to make some adjustment. And here we have 24 volts adjust. Nice. Very nice. Pull here if you want to, when you take the board out, it says pull here and pull here. We have this wire, if you can see, and also one of here. So we will take something like that and push the board out. You see that goes here to here. Nice, nice. Anyway, this is the telephone radio. I hope you like it. Please tell me what you think about this radio, about this video, and so on. If you have any kind of question, please leave a message under the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share if you want. Thank you very much, and happy tinkering!